What the fuck is this? We realized that it fucking covers the hardtop bolt holes, so you have to put the hardtop on before you can install your roll bar. So if you want to take your hardtop off, you have to take out your roll bar.
This is so not worth losing my speakers over. Nice seat belt. I can definitely use that. Like it's fucking inside the hard top. Hello. What happened? Oh. I need a deep 13.
Yeah, you might need a deep 13.
Same one?
Yeah.
The aluminium just bent.
Nice. The aluminium what?
Bent.
What is it though?
Aluminium.
Yeah, but what is it used for?
Rollcage.
Rollcage what? Base plate.
Mate, I'm not gonna roll, so
that
it's
has
fine.
to go in the video. How do you turn a flash on while you're recording?
Yeah, you have to restart it.
That's Android better. This is such a 50 YouTuber video right now. This is such a 50 subscriber YouTube video of me just like one-handed putting the bolts and all stuff. I can't stand that when I watch it on YouTube. It pisses me off.
Yeah, tripod, motherfucker.
Yeah, literally.
You missed the hole, mate.
What do you mean?
I mean that you missed the hole.
I nearly roasted myself, but I decided not to. Mate, your hole doesn't line up. This is a fucking problem.
Yeah, but the other two do. Oh, bro, I'm a retard. I've got to put the base plate on. I just put the screws in.
This girl was like, do you know where the clitoris is? And I was like, vaguely.
Is that what she actually said?
Yeah. Yeah, literally.
Man should have said, I have no clue, love. Nah, yeah, I don't give a fuck, bro. You know this girl, literally, I don't give a fuck. I've just been telling her whatever the fuck I want to tell her. It's here, bro.
No, what did you say? I didn't hear it.
I'm going to run this cyclist over and she just lost her mind.
Oh, I've done that. I did that with my mum in the car. Oh yeah, that's another thing I hit. 2 cars, 3 pedestrians, and a bicycle.
Bicycle that day.
And he fell off, and then his handlebar ran a massive line down my window.
I remember Lemmy.
I'm only saying this to ruin Alex's video.
Fuck you, Alex. Literally, mate.
For 2022, because it's got to be ironic, because YouTube's dead.
YouTube is dead.
Are we doing the back one first? I will literally post this on my Facebook page, I don't care.
Oh, go live. Insta live.
Literally. Is that even a thing?
Yeah, that's broken. I pulled these out. I forgot to paint it.
If somebody uploaded this video and I watched it, I'd actually be dying.
Yeah, exactly.
Like, literally. I welded in the diff.
Oh, yeah.
And I had all the fucking brake
Oh,
cleaner
and
in
it
there.
exploded in your
Yeah, and I
face.
blew up in my face and burnt my eyebrows off.
Oh, nice. You should have shaved them.
Nah, I did that when I was a kid once. Can you imagine? I turned up to school, yeah, with no eyebrows.
None.
Yeah, when I was like 10.
Bruh, no wonder you fucking are losing the plot, man. You've been doing this dumb shit your entire life.
Literally, bro.
Right, chuck them through again.
Yes.
Alright, next one. What happened to the other one?
What do you mean?
This one.
What?
This one is not in the hole anymore.
Doesn't matter, let's just do the one I'm on.
Seven's lost it.
I'll fix it in a minute.
I fixed it already.
Okay.
Okay, next one.
No, do that one again, I slipped off.
It's fine, it's more than tight enough.
It's literally not, I can turn it by hand. The middle one now. Yeah. One bolt.
Yeah.
One bolt in the back. Only.
Listen,
With
Dakota.
an aluminium base plate.
Dakota, if you're watching this, your track is shit, yeah, and it's not worth doing all this.
It's literally not, mate.
Yeah.
It's a fucking
I can literally
car.
drift Santa Pod with the roof off with a helmet on. And I can drift with a soft top up and no helmet. Why do I need a thing when I'm going 20 miles an hour slower in every corner? Fix your shit. Bro, I'm not gonna lie.
Yeah.
I might put 2 bolts.
Yeah, but how do you know how to orientate it? Because it can rotate, bro. You should keep drilling
Hit and
holes
hope.
until it lines up.
Yeah, hit and hope.
Fuck's sake. Okay. This is YouTuber drift car level build.
YouTuber?
Yeah.
Big
If you watch like some American YouTube channel with like 50k subscribers who has like a ratty S13.
Yeah, this is how they build this shit.
Yeah.
But this is, I'm so disgusted by this. Like, I hate this.
Yeah.
Like,
I
this
wouldn't
makes
do
me
this.
sick. I would not want to do this.
I was holding the spanner for so long. I can't tell if this is Rogue Films or a Hoover video. Yeah.
So what I'm going to do is I'm going to bolt this in and then I'm going to drill the hole.
Yep, that's not gonna work. Go ahead.
Okay, where's the nut bolt?
It's already through.
Oh, that first hole is not even straight.
Nice. How is this possible?
It's not going to go.
Bruh. Just rub a mallet. Can you put the nut on it?
Yeah.
Yeah, just do it up, it'll be alright.
Yeah.
Wrench it all the way. Huh?
Because you'll see the drill bit coming through.
No, I can't see shit, it's dark as fuck. You got a torch? No, it's literally so dark. I hit the wall because I didn't give a f.
Literally. Oh, I butchered this side. It's not too bad. So much of my car in this bin.
Can someone start manufacturing these again?
Yeah,
they're
Sure
not
Stuck
even
In.
on eBay.
Sure Stuck In, please make these again.
Mate.
The new ones are shit, I'm sorry. Look, I buy your stuff, yeah? There,
Where
look,
is it?
It's right there. Listen, I buy your stuff. Your new ones are cool, but these old ones were better. Just remake them, please. I just want one.
His name's Casey, right? No.
Casey.
Yeah, Casey, please.
Please.
I thought you weren't going to put that back.
My fucking harness bomb here.
For what harness?
That Takata harness, yo.
Takata, that triggers me.
Is this the right way? Yeah, I literally have 4 bolts left, which are for the seat.
Nice.
Why is that not sitting in straight?
This is a fucking movie. Shortened lower control arms for the rear, courtesy of your boy. With poly bushing, yo, flat contact patch, literally out there. Cut stud. It's the size, it's a Mark II.
Yes.
Okay.
You should know this, my guy.
I don't like these wheels.
Huh?
What?
What? What'd you say?
I didn't say anything.
Oh, cool, mate.
They go well with the long champ though.
You're doing it.
Which is trash because 14 is the best wheel size
True.
for any car.
Get to know.
If you have a fucking R35, you better be running 14s. It's the seat that folds in half.
Yeah, I fixed it though.
I fixed it though.
Yeah, look at that.
Yeah, it's chilling.
Nice headrest.
Yeah.
If you crash, look what's happening.
What?
Banging your head straight into this piece of metal and squishing yourself rather than hitting fiberglass.
Let me try it. Right.
Wait, look at this. This is one for the South Coast viewers. I mean, it was given to me by someone who works there.
We should go and steal some of these.
Yeah.
The real way.
This is like the UK version of that. Go and put it back now.
Just gonna roast myself again, but I decided against it again. Now we're chilling. Especially if you have a go on it and they're never gonna hit the head.
No.
Mate, I'm 6'2" and I can't hit my head. If you don't have hentai on your car, you're a
And if you don't have your glove box full of hentai stickers.
If you don't have your glove box full of your own team stickers, then you
Yeah.
can suck out.
No, that's Rev Crew #1. That's all. You know how old these are? These are like 4
Hide
years old.
this.
Rogue.
This
This
is a
one's
good
gonna
one.
go.
This is my logo. And then more. Yes. Let's go through this. Past the police impound lot sideways in a clapped out MX5. Do you think drifting is about style? Drifting to me is about like being a nuisance.
I hear that, but that means that's your style.
I don't want to go home anymore. I've had enough. I don't want to sleep. The seat looks sick. I love how it's gold. Is it carbon Kevlar?
No, it's supposed to be
it's not.
purple.
Okay.
But someone painted it gold. You see it's purple? That's the original colour.
Yeah, I like the gold though. I heard this story where this guy's dick cut off by his girlfriend because he cheated on her, and she threw it out the window of her car, and they went and found it and got it reattached, and then he became a porn star and he has a scar on his dick.
That's so sick. What's his name?
Yeah. I can't remember. My dad told me. I'll find out. Yeah. I tried. We could literally just upload that 1 hour movie. I'm pretty sure that's an hour of footage. This clip is 20 minutes.
He's gonna be pissed fucking putting this together. There we go. There's only 3 seat bolts left.
Nice. These floor mats are nice.
Huh?
Floor mats are nice.
Yeah, thank you.
This whole car is nice.
Thank you.
That's
Great
disgusting. I'm gonna reapply
Bro,
for
somebody
a blue
called me a
one.
Paki the other day. I was gonna kill him.
Is it?
If he called me a Pakistani, I would have been fine. And he said it with malice.
Yeah, no.
I saw him say it with malice.
Bolt searching. It's such a specifically unique bolt that's so like aesthetically pleasing that I'd be pissed if you put a different one in. Like that bolt, as soon as you see it, you know exactly what bolt it is.
Yeah. Sexy.
We still need to do walkarounds for everyone's cars. You know, I feel like you get to the point where you get so used to the car that everything seems standard, but then you remember that everyone else doesn't actually know everything. Bolt gone.
Bolt gone, mate.
Where's the bolt gone?
Africa.
Mate, this literally feels like such a scuffed American drift video. Like, this is the dumb shit they always do.
At least you have everything in here. I have fucking lights, mud flaps, mirrors.
Hammer.
Ammo, that's the big boy.
£4.
Can you imagine it cost me 10?
That's fucked. They scammed you. Haha, it's so funny, we're English.
Where's the bolt?
Let's just keep checking the same 5 places, it'll turn up.
Oh, yeah.
Illegal activities. On top of illegal activities. Wow, we're such criminals. I did a donut on a roundabout. I'm a criminal.
Criminal. Mama, I'm a criminal.
Have you even ran over a cyclist?
Mama, I'm a criminal. We had this left-hand drive thing here, and it was my first ever time driving left-hand drive. Mama, I'm a criminal. So I was too close over to the right, and I just smashed the wing mirror off. And I came back the next day and I blamed it on someone in the car park. I was like, oh, someone in the car park smashed the wing mirror off. Mama, I'm a criminal. Okay, the passenger is gonna die. Have you decided?
Oh no. Put in the comments, what bolt should we take out of the passenger seat?
And we'll change it.
The front left, the front right, the rear left, or the rear right?
We'll put a thing
That's not gonna happen. Yep.
up here. Vote.
Vote now.
Now. Did you vote right? Because we've done it.
I still haven't decided which one to do.
Put that in, and by that time, I would have bought you another one.
It's making me do work.
You know what's going to be funny?
What?
When I drive home and I find a bolt on my foot.
Yeah,
Like
literally.
it's just going to be rolling around in my
Yeah,
foot.
it literally is. Bro, what? The thing covers it.
Yeah.
What, ½ inch? This.
Yeah. Is that ½ inch?
No. This is why I asked you, is it ½ inch?
No, I need a long one, my guy.
The one that's not there.
Oh, it's here. I got 3.
I messaged this girl when we were at Pizza Hut and she never messaged me back.
Okay, guys.
I wound it in, but I didn't do it up.
Yeah, that's fine. We found it.
We found it. Some dickhead put it in the bolt hole for the other seat.
Fucking idiots.
Yeah, you're not gonna get that on there.
How? I literally did it earlier.
The Rollcage. Bro.
So what then?
Ratcheted spanner. He's not even gonna edit this. He's gonna open it and he's gonna see 2 hours of footage and he's just gonna close it and be like, no.
No, he actually asked for us to make a video.
Yeah, we've made him the best video that's going on his channel ever.
Oh, get at it.
It's true.
You know why? Because he's not in it.
Oh.
Oh, Mama, I'm a criminal. We actually do love that. We're just kidding.
My dad has royalties on some music and the Romanian ballerinas, like the Royal Romanian ballerina team uses it and he gets royalty from it, bro.
That stomps.
That's pretty sick. I seen that coming.
Bomeg. No one even knows about Bomeg.
Bomeg. That's what I'm saying. This car is literally the most underrated weapon. Why do those wheels so struggle to go on that fucking adapter?
Because they use shank nuts. Not so they have like really tiny little holes. See that?
Oh. They're really hard to buy as well in England.
It's impossible. Oh, if anyone is looking for some for S13, I have some. Hit me up.
Shank nuts.
Shank nuts or SSR wheels. Oh, so just keep them from S13.
At roguestyle_. Buy nuts. These nuts.
Fire extinguisher.
Bro, what fucking fire are you putting out with this? This is a tasty snack.
It's literally there to make insurance happy, and that's it.
I had mine in my car and I didn't bolt it down and I drifted so hard that it exploded. Really. Nice.
So the Rollcage is half installed.
No, it's fully installed.
Oh yeah. To be fair, the front is.
Yeah,
That's what that matters.
with aluminium base plates.
If I'm wrong, I'm gonna die anyway.
No, nah, because this track is shit, so there's just a massive gutter on the side of it, so you're just gonna clip that and then just flip.
First person to flip on the color.
Mate, I was watching this Driftland video on their channel where they were crying about how people dip their wheel into the grass.
Yeah,
it's just
they
like,
stop-
just put a fucking wall then, you stupid tart. Use your brain to come up with a solution instead of complaining at your customers for driving cars on a racetrack.
Do you remember when you and Alex got shouted at for taking the wide?
Yeah,
wide
bro.
that pod? Oh, don't use the track.
Standing 1 foot off the edge of the track, a car comes barreling in on a wide line. Hey, don't use the track, mate. We're standing here. Right? And he moaned at me, and I was like, bruv, I was just following my man's line. I didn't even know what the fuck was coming up.
Yeah, bruh.
Drifting in the UK is just a fucking joke.
It's shit.
Imagine Mayhan versus Santa Pod. Minami Chiba.
Yes. Minabishi, that's
Bro,
exactly
it's
what I was thinking.
owned by a fucking family.
Yeah.
And it's still better than any track in England. You wanna go get some food? McDonald's, yeah. Okay, let's go.
You got stuck, let me try again. Mama, I'm a criminal. Probably time to get out of here.
Yeah.
This is driving fucked up.
That fuck was so fat!
Bro, this car was fucked up. Bro, you don't want to drive that. I don't think I would have drifted if it was stuck up.
Yeah, no, I wouldn't then.
I'm just gonna crash here and stuff like that. You want some sauce?
Nah, I'm good.
Hello, thank you.
Ling Long tire.
Imagine. Sponsor us.
Yeah.
Thank you. Can I get some ketchup, please?
Oh, nice.
Thank you so much. Oh no, which one's which? Oh.
Oh.
I keep trying to catch it in the wrong place.